Want to manage your files faster without constantly opening File Explorer? In this guide, I'll show you how to use PowerShell for everyday file management, including creating, finding, copying, moving, renaming, and deleting files. Yeah, once you know a few commands, it gets pretty simple. First, open PowerShell and move to the folder you want to work with. The set location command, usually shortened to CD, changes your current location. For example, type CD documents and press enter. You can use get location to confirm where you are. Next, let's see what's inside the folder. Type Get-ChildItem or simply dir and press enter. PowerShell will display the files and folders in your current location. This is useful when you need to quickly check what you're working with. To create a new file, you can use new item. For example, type new item name notes, txt item type file. This creates a new text file in the current folder. You can also create folders by changing the item type to directory. To make a copy, use the copy item command. Type copy item notes, txt backup to copy the file into a folder named backup. You can also provide a complete destination path. Before copying important files, always double-check the source and destination. Moving and renaming are just as easy. Use move item to move a file to another location. And interestingly, you can also use move item to rename a file. For example, move item notes, txt project notes, txt changes the file name without moving it. To find files, use Get-ChildItem with a filter. For example, Get-ChildItem filter asterisk, txt shows text files. When you're ready to remove a file, use remove item. Be careful here, because deleting items from PowerShell can be permanent depending on how the command is used. Before running commands that change or delete files, check the path and file name carefully. For important folders, test commands with non-critical files first. And if you're unsure what a command does, use get help, followed by the command name to learn more. So take a moment to verify before pressing enter. And that's the basic workflow for PowerShell file management. With these commands, you can navigate, view, create, copy, move, rename, find, and remove files directly from the terminal.